let's take a look at the 9 chapters that we will be going through here in this tutorial series. They are each a different subject, and yeah, let's start with the first chapter. So this is going to be an introduction. It's going to tell you about what After Effects is in general, what it's used for. I'll talk about the Creative Cloud, how to install After Effects, talk about the different licenses, the different versions of After Effects. So that's going to be very basic, but there will still be some good knowledge. Then in the second chapter, this will be your first look at After Effects. So I'll do a walkthrough of all the panels. I'll show you how you can customize the layout, how you can import video and images. I will tell you what a composition is, and I will do a quick explanation of the different layers. Then in the third chapter, I will give you an introduction to simple editing. I will show you how you can edit video and images together, how you can cut and trim them and add effects, and I'll show you how you can scale, rotate and change the position, all that stuff, and I'll also be covering what a pre-composition is, and also I'll be covering the export of videos and images. Then in the fourth chapter, I will introduce you to animation. I will explain to you what the concept behind animation is. I'll tell you what a keyframe is, and then we will animate a box to do different things. I'll show you how you can animate effects and how you can animate text, and then I'll give you a quick introduction to the graph editor. Then in the fifth chapter, I'll give you an introduction to masking. I'll tell you what a mask is, how you can mask videos and images, and how you even can mask an effect. I'll show you how you can animate masks, and I'll talk you through the different mask settings. Then in the sixth chapter, I will show you how you can do 2D and 3D tracking. I'll tell you what tracking is used for. I'll show you how you can 2D track video, and in that little tutorial I'll make a video showing you how you can track some lens flares onto the headlights of a car. We will also be doing some simple 3D tracking, where I will show you how you can replace the screen on your TV. Then in the seventh chapter, I will show you how you can track in a piece of software that comes with After Effects called Mocha for AE. AE stands for After Effects. I'll give you a quick walkthrough. It's much like After Effects, so it won't take that long. Then I will introduce you to the different shortcuts. I will of course show you how you can track in Mocha, and how you can use Mocha to create masks, and how you can export all the data from Mocha into After Effects. Then in the eighth chapter, I will show you how you can install plugins. We will install a free plugin called Color Vibrance. It's made by a company called Video Copilot. Then I'll show you what the plugin is used for, and then we will create a quick and very cool motion graphic using the plugin. Then in the ninth video, I will show you how you can do a technique called keying, color keying. You may have heard of it. It's a technique used with a green screen, where you can remove a color. So what is keying? And then I'll show you how you can do a green screen key using a plugin for After Effects. It actually comes with After Effects, but it is a plugin. It's called Keylight 1.2, and with that plugin we will replace the background of a video. Yeah, and then make a tutorial where keying is used, and I will also explain what a track mat and an alpha mat is. So yeah, it's gonna be as you can see, the difficulty is getting higher through the different chapters, but it's not very hard, so I'm sure everyone can follow along, and it's gonna be very fun to watch, and I am very excited to teach you a lot about After Effects. So yeah, stay tuned.